Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm in the kitchen again. I'm gonna do some rice and peas. So here's the peas already. I'm gonna put it in the pot. Just I throw it how much more outside. Now use all of it. Think that is enough. That is enough. Some of those there I'll get my peas washed. Just also this is enough. So yes guys, the peas is already in the pot. It's already washed. So as you can see, little bubbles under the pot there. So I'm just putting in my garlic. Me like garlic. So you can put in your desired amount of garlic, which you prefer. I preferred a lot, so if you don't like garlic like that, you can put 1 or 2 or 3 pegs. You know, your desired amount. So yes guys, welcome back again. Well, you know, so the peas not finished cook yet, so the peas still up on the fire. So right now I'm gonna do some chicken. Gonna do some French fried chicken and also some brown stew beef. That's for dinner today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how I season my chicken. So this is how I season my chicken first. I put a little bit of salt on it. I think that's enough salt for me. And then I put a little bit of black pepper seasoning, better black pepper. Just put a little bit on it there. It's alright. And then I don't know, me love use my Maggi season. So I use Maggi all-purpose seasoning and Maggi chicken seasoning. So yeah, so let me go ahead and brush the packs of the seasoning that I'm going to use. There's the knife. And then after I do that, then I just stir it up like this. Well, I'm going to stir it up. You know you have to stir it up properly, right guys? Because you want your seasoning to be everywhere on the chicken. You just want your seasoning, you know? So that is my chicken seasoned up already. So what I'm gonna do now, I've already prepared my natural seasoning. I'm gonna cut up a piece of onion, pepper, a piece of scallion, and also some garlic on the chicken. So I'll show you when I finish cutting up. Me show you. We have to just always give thanks, you know. Yeah. No complaining. No. Yep. A true man. So guys, I'm just going to go ahead and also season up the beef as well. So I'm going to put a little bit of salt on it. I think that's enough. And for the beef now, I'm not going to use any chicken seasoning. I'm just going to use only Maggi all-purpose seasoning. So I'm going to use 2 packs. I'm going to use 2 packs of it. There it is, 2 packs. So yeah. Guys, you kind of applying now because I not have no stand. So I get one stand, something that can't hold it because I have to use one and hold the phone. So I got to now complain. So yeah, finish through the season on it. So I'm going to use a little bit of black pepper also. You know, I love my meat well seasoned and nice, you know, guys. Yeah, man. And then I'm just gonna rub that in also, just the same way. So you stir it and you stir it well. Make sure you stir it very well. That means that all your seasoning spread to each and every piece of the meat. Alright guys, yeah. So I'm gonna show you also how I season my rice pot and everything. So guys, if you don't like the video, if you don't like that video here, just please remember to subscribe, comment and share up a video. But like when you leave a comment, you know, so don't just always remember to leave a comment, right? So yeah, that's it now. So I will cut up some garlic, some onion, some scallion and thyme and this now. So yes guys, this is my ingredients that I'm going to throw on my chicken. So I have scallion. Over here I have chopped onion, garlic, scallion, no, thyme and pepper. So this is what I'm going to throw on my meat. See that look guys? Look how pretty that is. This is how I like to do my chicken to French fries. No, I'll come out of the plate, but yeah. That's it. So look how pretty that is guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. So this is how I French fry my chicken. You know, you always have to make sure you stir well. Yeah. That's it. So that is finished now. Only ready for fry. Beautiful. So I just cover back that now. And then I'm going to do the beef. So I'm going to do the same thing for the beef. I'm going to chop a little piece of onion, some scallion, thyme, garlic and so on. I'll show you. So yes guys, here's the beef. I've already thrown it on it. I've already put the season on it. So here I have some pepper. I have pepper, scallion and thyme and onion. And then I'm just going to mix that in well. Somebody want to serve? So yes guys, the peas finished cooked now, so I'm just gonna pour it in my pot. So like when your peas finish cooked now guys, the next step you have to do now is your coconut milk. So I've already prepared my coconut milk already. It was blended. Here's it. So after your peas cook, you add your coconut milk. And then you put it right back on the fire, and then you're gonna let this coconut milk cook for at least 10 minutes, right? Because if your coconut milk don't cook properly, your food, your rice and peas will go bad fast. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead now and set it on back on the fire. So yes guys, this is the pot. I'm gonna fry the beef, so I'm just pouring in some oil to fry up the beef. So guys, before you start frying the browning, the beef, you have to pour a little bit of browning on it, so you catch a little color. I think that's enough. And then you mix up that. So there it is guys, that's how it look when I put your browning on your beef. You have a brown too. Yeah, so that's it. So after adding the browning now guys, from here straight to the pot. Alright here. So this is the coconut milk. It's still not done cook yet. It's still on a couple more minutes. So yes guys. So yes guys, this is my season that I'm gonna use to season my rice pot. So I have a piece of onion, scallion, thyme, pepper. I'm gonna use a Maggi all-purpose season and some black pepper. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add it in the pot. one already add a little bit of salt, so now I'm just gonna add a little bit of sugar. And that's it. That's how I cook my rice and peas. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this cook for at least 5 to 8 minutes, and then I add my rice. Here is my rice. The rice is already washed and just waiting to put in the pot. So yes guys, this rice pot is ready for the rice. So I'm gonna go ahead now and wash my rice. As I said, the rice was already washed. Yeah, that is my rice pot. This is some real nice Jamaican rice and peas, you know. Yeah. So I will show you the finished result. Just go and tune in, like up the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So yes guys, this is the natural seasoning that I'm gonna use to cook down the beef. So we have, you know, we still cut a piece of fresh onion in this, a piece of scallion thyme, pepper, carrots, Irish, and tomato. And that was the seasoning that was there before that I used to season up everything. So yes guys, it's a good look. Yeah, and check out the rice and peas. Here it is now. It's still a go on simmer down a little bit more. Yeah. And the beef I go on pressure. Beef soon finish and now soon showing the beef. So yes guys, I know although I'm in the kitchen, I have to come out and get a little fresh breeze. Not sure. Showing the little view around. It's beautiful. Ouch. So yes guys, the beef already cooked now, so I'm gonna finish add my ingredients in it right now. Smell that aroma, oh my god, smells so good. So this is real Jamaican stew beef. This is how we do it in Jamaica. Okay. And here is the pot I'm gonna french fry the chicken also. So here it is guys, nice Jamaican brown stew beef. So yes guys, it's soon ready I know. Wow. And here is my little french fry chicken. So guys, here is the nice shelly Jamaican rice and peas. Rice and peas shelly, man. Tastes good. Oh my god. Yeah man. So yes guys, here is the finished product of the brown stew beef. Looking good, tasty, but not if you ask nobody that. And here is the rice and peas. And over here we have some raw veg. You know, we're gonna put some mayonnaise, you know, mix it up with some mayonnaise. Yeah, but that's my raw veg. And this is the French fried chicken. Yep. So yes guys, here is the finished product. It's plated and I'm ready to eat dinner. So you can comment down below and tell me how it look. So this is French fried chicken, rice and peas, brown stew beef. Yep. So guys, if you like this video, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Just a minute now, taste the food. Delicious. Guys, me can't help it, food too nice. So anyway, if you guys like this video, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe again. And remember, I work on my watch hours guys, so please help me up on the watch hours. Thanks for tuning in and big up on yourself. See you in the next video.